far side?
I'm probably gonna go right in the middle there, right? Get the thick of things.
Why don't I go up there then? Up in behind. Is that what you're thinking?
Yeah, I kind of like come up from down over there and then work in.
So there's the fence right there.
Yeah, so all the brush can just get piled along there.
And then the logs on top?
Well, I'm gonna pile the logs off to the side, so if they do end up getting picked up, they're easy enough to get at.
Ash. So Eric's got to come up in here. So it's almost like we need to make a hole.
Say hi, Dad.
Hi, Grace.
Why, hello. Is that a ball?
I tidied up not too bad. Got all the logs set off to the side if they want to use them for firewood. Got all the brush packed up in there. And he's got his lawn back now. Cleaned up back here too. There was a bunch that were blown down, so I was able to get up in here, made a little trail. There was just kind of a big hole up in here, so just packed everything into there. And that'll be just fine. Looks a lot better. He had a little four-wheeler trail up here, so he'll be able to use it again.